Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take circle in dance. Start by finding your center. Stand with your feet roughly shoulder-width apart, ensuring a stable base. Gently bend your knees, keeping them relaxed and ready for movement. Engage your core muscles to maintain balance and control throughout your dance. This foundational stance is crucial for smooth transitions and fluid circular motion. It sets you up for success in any dance style. To begin your circle, shift your weight smoothly onto one foot, preparing for rotation. As you turn, use a technique called spotting by fixing your gaze on a point in front of you for as long as possible. This helps prevent dizziness and maintains your orientation. Push off gently with your back foot, initiating the circular movement with control and grace. As you move, maintain an upright posture, keeping your spine long and aligned. Take small, deliberate steps to control the speed and radius of your circle. Continuously spot your chosen point, allowing your head to snap around quickly between turns. This technique is vital for balance and preventing disorientation. Remember to breathe deeply and consistently to sustain your energy. To conclude your circle, gradually reduce your rotational speed, bringing your movement to a controlled stop. Smoothly bring your feet back together, returning to your initial balanced stance. Re-establish your core engagement and confident posture. This controlled finish is just as important as the start, demonstrating your mastery of the circular movement. Practice makes perfect for a seamless execution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.